Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Traveling with Dory. Today we're exploring the incredible souvenir shops inside Universal Studios Japan to check out some of the coolest and most unique finds. Let's go! Come on, let's check out what's inside. Wow, look at this Jaws oven mitt. It actually looks like the shark is about to bite your hand. And right next to it is the matching Jaws tissue case. These are such fun and unique finds for any Jaws fan. Look how adorable these Minion Bob assorted rice crackers are. They're almost too adorable to eat. And this solar mascot Minion figure is so fun to watch. It keeps gently balancing and moving, making the Minions even more adorable. Hey, it's Bert! Look how adorable he is! Oh, and here comes Ernie. Together, they're the cutest duo that's guaranteed to make every Sesame Street fan smile. Look who we found! It's Moppy, so fluffy and adorable. Next up is Cookie Monster, looking as lovable as ever. And of course, here's Elmo, ready to brighten everyone's day. Whoa! Check this out! This Jaws armband makes it look like a shark just chomped your arm. How cool is that? Look who we found! It's Kadabby. She's absolutely adorable, magical, and ready to sprinkle a little sparkle on your day. She even comes with the cutest little bag. How adorable is that? Whoa! Chibi Spiderman and Venom! Tiny, adorable, and totally awesome. Look who's here! Woody and Winnie Woodpecker. These adorable keychains are full of charm and ready to tag along on every adventure. Whoa! Mario pops right out of the pipe. How cool is that? How adorable is this Cookie Monster pencil case? It's almost too cute to use. And look, here's Kadabby's, so colorful and absolutely bursting with charm. Whoa, it's Snoopy! So cute, so lovable, and ready to steal the show. This Jurassic World T-Rex memo stand is fierce, fun, and awesome. Look at this Tim memo in a case. It's super cute, fun, and perfect for keeping your notes handy. Whoa, these Jaws and Jurassic World headbands are awesome. Whether it's a shark attack or dinosaur adventure, they're guaranteed to turn heads. Let's grab some popcorn before we keep exploring and check out these awesome Mario Kart popcorn cases. They're fun, collectible, and perfect for your USJ adventure. Thanks so much for watching. If you had fun exploring with us, smash that like button, subscribe, and join us for more amazing adventures. We'll see you in the next one.